Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn A to Z shortcut keys which will help us to use Microsoft Office softwares. Most of the Microsoft Office have same shortcut keys which we will use it. So today we will learn that how we can use shortcut keys which will start from A to Z. So first of all, this is a text which I have written in Microsoft Word. I will show you that how you can select all the text in your application. Control A button to select it. Then you will press Control B. It will bold all the text for you. Then you will Control C. It will copy for you and we will paste in a blank document. You can see all the material have been copied. Control E will switch the paragraph between center and align left. If I will press Control E, you can see it will change from center alignment. If I will press Control F, then the dialog box have been open. If we want to find some word, specify word, we can type over here. I am typing skip and I will enter it. Then you can see it, my skip word have been highlighted over here. Control G will help us to move to the next page. If you can see, my cursor is on page 1. I am typing page 2. Now you can see my cursor is moved to the page 2. Control H will help us to replace any specified word. For example, I want to replace skip to the word which I am typing it should, and I will replace it for once, or if I want to replace it all for the whole of the document, then I will select replace all. Right now I am replacing it. If you can see it will task have been finished, and if I will close it, then you can see the word has been replaced. Now I will go to Control A once again, and if I will press Control I, then it will italic all the font for me. So once again Control I. If we will select a paragraph and then press Control J, it will align accordingly. You can see now my text is aligned in proper way. If you will press Control L, it will align from left, and if you will press Control G, it will align from evenly throughout the text. Control M, indeed a paragraph from the left. If I will press Control M, you can see from the left side of selected paragraph have been moved to the next page. You can see it. Control N will help us to open a new document. Control P will help us to go to the print command. If I select the paragraph and then press Control R, it will help us to switch the alignment of a paragraph between left and right. Now I am pressing Control R. You can see it will aligning from left to right. If I will press Control S, it will help us to save the document. If I will press Control U, it will underline all the selected lines. Now you can see all the selected lines have been underlined. If I want to change it, I will do Control Z for undo. If I will copy it and paste it, then I need to paste the Control V. Now Control Z will be undo the last task. So I will Control Z it. It will remove all this paragraph from here. So this is, you can do it. I hope that you will like this session and you will enjoy it. If you like it, then please press the like button. Thank you.